Hi, beautiful people. How you doing? Hope you're doing amazing wherever you are. On my side, I am doing amazing, guys. Yeah, I'm doing amazing. And today, I am in the kitchen. As you can see, I want to prepare for you an amazing delicacy that is dinner today. So you have to stay tuned and watch this video until the end of it so that you can see what we are preparing today, guys. Yeah, don't mind my hair, it's flying all over. So guys, if it's your first time here, feel welcome to this amazing YouTube channel. Yeah, and if it's your first time here, I am African. That is an African girl who is a princess. Yes, African Princess Milka. That is my name, guys. So please don't forget also to watch my other videos. They are amazing videos. In this channel, we always say we spread positivity and love out there because we have to love each other. We have to spread a positive vibe to everyone out there. So if it's your first time here, please feel welcome to this channel. So today I want to make something. I know you're used to seeing me moving around, but today I am in the kitchen because I am Chef Milka today. Yeah, I am Chef Milka. Guess what? Yo, stay tuned and see what I'm going to make for you guys today. Actually, let me just tell you, let me give you a clue. Today I'm making some pork and ugali. Ugali is a Kenyan dish that is made of flour and water. That is ugali. You know pork. Definitely. Everyone knows pork. So today, that is the delicacy I'll be making for dinner, guys. So stay tuned. I thought, why not share with you how I make my pork and how I'm going to make my ugali. So it's just something so easy. So I thought, why not share with you what and how I cook so that at least you can enjoy the video of me cooking. Huh? I don't know if you can see me. It's dark. That's why I've just put some lights on. It's actually getting dark. It's in the evening here. It's what's the time? It's almost 7. Yeah, actually it's almost 7. So that is why you can see a bit of the lighting. So I've put the lights on. Please bear with me for now. So let's go. Let's get into business, guys. Yo, see you in the next when we are preparing. Yeah, guys, I love you so much. I missed you guys. When I've not done a video, like, I always miss you every time. Yeah, I miss you so much, my people. But today, let's get into the kitchen as the chef Milk is going to do an amazing adabla kabdabla. There's something like that, yeah, so that we can cook. You can see I've put my pot already that I'm going to cook the pork with, and I don't know why I got my pork so fatty. God, look, so much fat. Don't mind my my tin. This is a tin that I recycled after having an ice cream, and I always use the tins to put some things. Yeah. So I'll just boil my meat. I'll boil it first. I like to boil my pork. I don't know about others, but for me, I love to boil it first. So I'm going to add a bit of water and let it cook for some time. And then after that, I'm going to fry it. So I'm going to cover it for like 15 minutes. So I'll let it cook for the next 15 minutes and then I'll come in with my, what do you call it, spices. Sorry, guys, there are a lot of noise outside and I'm not concentrating. So many people are passing by. It's evening time and people are coming out from work. And I live close to the road. That is why you can hear the noise. I'm going to blend my tomatoes and garlic together, and then I don't know if you can see some pepper. it's dry, so I want to mix everything. Is ready. That's how it looks like after adding some soy sauce. I added my pork some soy sauce, and as you can see, it's ready to fry. Looks yummy, right? You can even eat it that way, but for me, I want it fried. So let's fry it. So I'll start with my onions. Ready cut. So I'll start with my onions. I'm not going to put any oil on my pork because it's really fatty. It has a lot of fat, as you can see, so I'm not going to add any of it. I'm going to go in with my blended tomatoes, as you can see. Go in with my simbambili, that is curry powder. So I'm going to use 1 spoon. And then I'm going to go in with my Royco garlic powder. Ooh, it smells so yummy. So I'm going to let my mixture cook for a few minutes. You can add water if you want to. That's how it looks like. So forget some salt to taste, of course. So I don't know how you measure your salt, but for me, I'll just do 1 spoon. So I'll go in and add just water, just a little bit, so that it's going to simmer and all the spices to add up to my pork. So I'll wait for it to boil a bit. You looks yummy, right? I know. In with my coriander leaves. I think my food is ready, guys, as you can see. Yo, smells so nice. Very nice. My ugali, so I've put just a little water into my pot so that it's going to boil, and then I'm going to just mix this water and some maize flour. So let's wait for it to boil. See, my water is already boiling, so I'll have to start cooking the ugali. I don't know if you know this, it's called mwiko in Swahili. And then I'm going to be adding my flour just slowly by slowly until what we call ugali. In Uganda, they call it pocho. Yeah, in Uganda, they call it pocho. In Swahili, it's called sima or ugali. The original Swahili, it's called sima. So I'll have to make sure it hardens, so I have to add more flour. And that is enough to make it fold, so I'll keep on. What do you call this? Folding the ugali? Is it called folding or it's called, okay, I don't know. I don't know how you call it in English. But this is how you keep on doing so that the flour is going to mix well and it won't have like flour that is left inside. Yeah. So this is just a simple workout. Yeah, it's just workout because you keep on rolling your hand and folding the ugali. So this is a real workout. You see? Ugali is so easy to make actually. So if you'd like to taste like Kenyan food, you can start like ugali because it's so easy to make. Something like chapati takes time to cook, but ugali is just boiling water and adding some flour. So it will be so easy to cook. So you see, within few minutes, my ugali is already in its shape. So I have to make sure all the flour is mixed well because there's this feeling that you feel when you bite a flour in ugali. You don't feel like you can continue eating that ugali anymore. You feel like stopping. You know, it's like when you bite a stone in the beans. Jesus. You feel like you're not going to continue eating the beans anymore. So I'll just mold it like this so that I can let it cook for like 8 minutes, 5 to 8 minutes. You see, it's still not cooked. It's still sticking in my cooking stick. Is it cooking stick? I don't know how you call it. So I let my ugali cook for a few minutes and then I'm going to get it out. So that is how it looks. You see it's already made. Yeah guys. It cooks well even on the upper side. You will just, let me show you. You just do like this and you get it back again. You see? So the upper side is going to cook as well as I continue to mold it. So I let it cook for like 2 minutes and then I get it out. You see it's even getting itself out of the pot. This shows it's ready, so I'll get it out. Wait, let me show you. You have this lid and then you place it. There is our ugali. So guys, see you in the next video because we are done with cooking. Until next time, I love you so much. Bye bye.